We are having many. Oh, God. Job is terrible. Job's killing me. Are we on? Are we on? We're on air? Okay. Hi. Shit. KK Weather Channel, and right now we are in the capital of Louisiana, Baton Rouge, and we are just now experiencing a hardly lessening tropical storm Isaac. A lot of sirens going off. I hope everyone's okay tonight. It's about 50-mile-per-hour winds, maybe 75. It's hardly showing any signs of lessening. Hardly at all. As you can see all around me, I am experiencing. As you can see, it's pretty bad. Oh, just a moment. We have something breaking in. I'm just now getting a report of over 800,000 cases of power outages, mostly in the Plaquemine Parish, and also widespread reports of flooding nearly all around. My eyes are hurting from the rain hitting my eyeballs right now, and it's not funny. Ow. My notes are falling apart terribly, and this really hurts. I don't know how much more I can do this, Paul. Okay, I have to get back to you. We are having many. Oh, God. Job is terrible. Job's killing me. We have many bridges being closed in St. Charles Parish, and a lot of loose barges. We have many roadways that are being flooded. We have flash flood reports all across the southern part of Louisiana. Most of that stuff. We have many possible mostly due to flooding. This guy right here, he knows what's going on. He wish he had a banana for a microphone. We have a lot of river forecasts that are going to be reaching very high levels. God! Watch out wherever you are. If you have a river or a puddle or whatever, you're skipping it, you're playing it, it's going to get bigger. And that is probably a case right there. Ladies and gentlemen, right here, live, Baton Rouge. Back to you.